Hello. You boys and girls are doing great with the ideas of longer and shorter. We're going to do one more part today. In your math book, on page 6, you're going to have this little chart. And you're going to get to draw things. If you want to use your crayons to draw it, you may. But because this is math, if you want to just do a little drawing with your pencil, that's okay with me too. All right? It doesn't have to be perfect. But you are going to be thinking about two things. Things that are longer and things that are shorter. Now, moms and dads, on the paper it says things that are longer than my string and shorter than my string. We're not doing the string. Take your cubes out of your toolkit. This is going to be a walk around. Now, I'm going to do it right here and give you an example. So stay with me. It's going to be a short video. Watch the video, then you can go and do your walk around and record it yourself. I'd like everybody to have at least 3 things on each side. Let me do mine first. Ready? If I was going to use things here, I could start with something right in front of me, my phone. I'm going to compare it to my cubes. Now, would you say my phone is longer than my cubes or shorter than my cubes? Yes, my phone is shorter than my cubes. So, this side says shorter. Now, those are a lot of words that would be hard to read. So what I'm going to do, and moms and dads can do this if they want, I put a long line here. So this is for things that are longer than my cube, and this side is for things that are shorter than my cube. So I decided my phone was shorter than my cube. So I'm going to put it over here, and I will draw my phone. I do it with a marker because you won't be able to see a pencil. So, and my phone, you know, it has a little button down here, and it has some dots here. And if I wanted to write it, I could. Phone. Ooh, sounds like an F sound, so I'm going to put just a little F there, just to show how smart I am. Let's see what else I've got today. What if I compared my cubes, to my eraser? Are you ready? Yeah, it's an eraser. My eraser is shorter than my cubes. All right, so let's see. I'm going to do it on this side. Now, I could use a green crayon if I wanted to, but I'll just do this. And since my eraser looks like a car, I'll put some wheels. And it's an eraser. What does it start with? Oh, I hear an R. I'm going to put that too. Eraser. Oh, there's a S in there. I'm just putting all the letters I hear. It's okay if they're not all there. So far, my phone and my eraser are shorter than my cubes. What if, let's see, my computer. I'm going to hold it right up to the computer. What do you think? Is my computer longer than my cubes or shorter? You can't see, but it is longer. So over on the longer side, I will draw my computer. This is the keyboard. And I'm going to put computer. Oh, I hear a computer. Oh, I hear a P and a T and an R. That's kid writing. My computer is longer than my cubes. All right? So that's what you're going to do. Walk around, 3 on this side, 3 on that side. Draw the pictures. If you want to do the sounding and do the spelling, that's fine. Don't let anyone else draw on your board, okay? Even if mom or dad are afraid I won't know what it is, it's okay. No, it's okay. We got this. All right? If you can hear the first sound, write it down. That will help me. But I only want your work. Don't ask how to spell anything. You got to be really brave, because next week we're going to write another book. And the braver you get and the more you try, the better the writer you'll be. Now, you know this didn't take up very much time today. So, it would be a really good day to get on happy numbers. Now, I have some children in this class that are way ahead, okay? If things are getting hard, if you're in Module 4, and I just found out that it's hard for, I don't know what you see, my computer looks different when I see, but I'm happy to tell you what level you're on. If moms or dads want to stay on after a meeting, I can tell you where your child is. In case you can't see it on there, there are several children who have not completed Module 1 and Module 2. So that's a little behind. I have one child who is in Module 3, which is right where we are, perfect. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of you that are actually in Module 4. So if you're in Module 4, still sign on, still try a couple. If it's too hard, stop. I even have one of my students he's worked his way ahead. Math is easy for him, and he keeps going, and he's way in the middle of grade 1 math right now. So this is something you can do at your own pace. So even if you're ahead, if it's easy, keep it going. See if you can do it. It's a lot of fun. If you're ahead and it's starting to get hard, try 1 or 2 and stop, just so that I can see you got on, okay? And that will be just fine, because I can see it all. And parents, if you want to know where your child is, because it's hard to tell, please let me know, and I'm happy to tell you. Have a great day, boys and girls. Enjoy measuring, and if you have a little extra time, everybody was originally expected to do 45 minutes. So if you're behind, I think in 45 minutes you could catch up a lot this week. Have a great day.